In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tick symbol in Outlook. Whether you're creating a professional email or simply want to add a visual element to your messages, knowing how to input a tick symbol can be incredibly useful. Now let's dive in and guide you through this process. First, open your Outlook app on your desktop. This can typically be found on your computer's taskbar within your applications folder or by simply searching for it in the start menu. Once the app is up and running, you'll want to create a new email to practice adding the tick symbol. Look for the option labeled New Mail or New Email, usually positioned at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a new window where you can draft your email. Now that you're in the email composition window, we need to make a small but critical change to the font style. You'll find a drop down menu where you can select different font types, usually located in the toolbar above the message body. Click on this menu and scroll through the list of fonts until you find Wingdings. Select this font style. It may seem a little unusual at first as it's not one of the typical fonts used in email communication, but Wingdings is special because it includes a variety of symbols, including the tick symbol we need. With Wingdings selected as your font, place the cursor in the email body where you'd like the tick symbol to appear. We are now at the step where you will actually input the tick symbol. Here's the trick. On your keyboard, you're going to use the numeric keypad. Hold down the Alt key, the one typically located to the left of the spacebar, and while holding it, type 0252 on the numeric keypad. It's important to note that this won't work with the numbers above the letter keys. You must use the numeric keypad on the side of your keyboard. After typing the numbers, release the Alt key. You should now see the tick symbol appear where your cursor was positioned in the email body, like magic. If this is your first time doing it, you might be amazed how simple it can be to include such symbols just by changing the font and entering a few keystrokes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tick symbol to your email in Outlook. This method can be particularly valuable for making lists or confirming items within your digital communications. Remember, the key steps are selecting the right font and using the correct alt code. Feel free to practice a couple more times until you're comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and now you have a new tool in your Outlook skills arsenal.